Hi guys, I was gifted this reverse osmosis system boosting pump. So this will boost the pressure of your RO system so the water will come out quicker in your water faucet. It does come with instructions. I'm gonna go set it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, I want to show you the force of the water. It's not very strong. So when I put the RO booster on, I should get more pressure here. Okay guys, this is the setup. This is my RO system and the pump here. I need to mount it to the back wall, and I'll show you how I wire and tube everything up. It does come with instructions. This RO booster is made for RO systems that do 100 gallons per day. Okay, I got it all hooked up here. I mounted the pump down there. This is the spot where the low pressure switch goes. I'm just going to go right after the regular filters and before the RO system. So you put in that T right there, and part of it goes to the low pressure, and the other one goes to the inlet of the pump there. Out of the pump, then it's going to go back into the tube that's going up to the RO membrane. And then I have the high pressure sensor over here going to the tank, going to the pressure tank. And then I have it all wired up, and it boosts the inlet pressure to 60 to 80 psi for efficient filtration. It is self-priming for wells and tanks. It works anywhere. No city water is needed. It is an easy DIY install kit. All parts are included. No plumber is required. All right, I got it going. So we're going to open up the RO tank water, and we're going to turn back on the water to the system, and the pump you will turn on. It once now it's sensing water pressure from that low pressure sensor. Then now the pump is started, and it's starting to pump through the lines and increase that pressure up to 80 psi. So I'm gonna let it run, and I'll show you what it looks like coming out of the faucet when it's all up to pressure. Okay guys, you can definitely see the water flow now after I put in that booster pump is so much faster. I'm so glad I got this booster pump, so now I don't have to wait forever to get a glass of water from my fridge. Okay guys, it is filled up my pressure tank to the high pressure now. You were able to see that it definitely made a difference in my fridge water dispenser. The pump does shut off when it gets to that high pressure. It's not that loud. It's just got a little, buzzing noise when it's pumping. Wasn't too bad to install. Just follow the instructions and follow this video. You'll definitely love it if you have a problem with low water pressure in your RO system. So go ahead and get it. Thanks.